Welcome to another video. The greatest height reached by a projectile is 1/8 of its range on horizontal ground. Calculate the angle of projection. So, for a question like this, okay, the first thing to do is to write the formula for greatest height reached and the horizontal range. Horizontal range measures the maximum horizontal distance traveled, okay, by a projectile particle from the point of projection to the point where it lands on the ground other than the point of projection. So this is the range, okay? This is the range. This is the maximum or greatest height. So in this case, okay, we're going to first write the formula for greatest height, okay, and that of range. Then we now set the equation, that is the formula for greatest height, equals to 1/8 of that of range. All right, let's do that. Okay, so for greatest height, let's designate greatest height with h subscript what? G. So we have greatest height, okay, and the formula for greatest height is u² sin² theta over 2g. Now let's not forget that theta is the what? Is the angle of projection. Theta is the angle of projection. Now for range, R is the range, which is the horizontal range. So range equals to u² sin² theta over letter G, which is acceleration of free fall. So according to the question, the greatest height is equals to 1/8 of the range. So which means this will be u² sin² theta over 2g equals to 1/9 multiplied by u² sin² theta over g. All right, so in this case, let's get rid of u² and g, and in that case, we're going to multiply both the left hand side, okay, and the right hand side, okay. Now multiplying both sides, let me put it this way, multiplying both sides by g over u². So that will be g over u² multiplied by u² sin² theta over 2g equals to g over u² multiplied by u² sin² theta over g. So g will cancel g, u² will cancel u². G will cancel g in this case. Also u² will cancel u². All right, so we'll be left with sin² theta over 2 equals to 1/9 sin² theta. Now let's recall, okay? Let's recall sin² theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Then also we know that sin² theta is the same thing as sin theta multiplied by sin theta. All right, so in this case, we can then write this to be, let me box this. We can write this to be sin theta, okay, sin theta over 2, which is equals to 1/9, then 2 multiplied by sin² theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. All right, so let's get rid of sine on both sides. Okay, let's get rid of sine. So if you divide both sides, if you multiply both sides, by 1/sin theta. So this will be 1/sin theta multiplied by sin theta multiplied by sin theta over 2 equals to 1/sin theta times, this will be 2/9. 2/9 sin theta multiplied by cos theta. So sin theta will cancel sin theta. So this will be sin theta over 2 equals to sine theta will also cancel sine theta in this case, and that will be 2/9 cos theta. Okay, so in this case, let's multiply again. Multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by 2/cos theta. Okay, so that will be 2/cos theta multiplied by sine theta over 2 equals to 2/cos theta multiplied by 2/9 cos theta. Okay, so 2 will cancel 2, then cos theta will cancel out. So in this case, we have sine theta over cos theta to be equals to 4/9. Okay, again, let's recall from the definition of tangent. Tan theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. Okay, so that means that we have tan theta equals to 4/9. So theta will be the inverse tan of what is 4/9? 0.444. Yeah. So let's get this, the inverse tan of 0.444. That will be 23.94. So theta equals to 23.94, and this is the what? Angle of projection. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.